Alex here at Stratified Automotive Controls. Just a quick walk through our WMI installation on our 2014 Focus ST. So we're on the driver's side, underneath the car now, looking at the pump. The pump is mounted on a custom bracket that actually uses a stock bolt on the frame rail, on the driver's side frame rail. Didn't want to drill or kind of modify that frame rail at all, and we managed to do this with a custom bracket. The pump is nice and secure and hangs down here conveniently out of the way and not interfering with anything else. This hose right here is the pickup. And the pickup actually goes up, and you'll see it in our other video, into the windshield washer reservoir from the top. The second hose here is the hose that goes to our nozzle, and the first thing on the hose is going to be the check valve. The check valve prevents any sort of siphoning of the fluid and losing prime while the system is not operating. You need a check valve or a solenoid between your nozzle and your pump. Moving and following this line, there's a P-clip here mounting into the motor, just in case, just to prevent any sort of chafing or any sort of excessive movement of that line. Here we have the oil filter. Now the oil filter, the line moves out of the way for when you need to change the oil. We have a teal bypass valve. This valve is there because we have the GTX2867 turbo on the back of the car and need an external bypass valve. Now up in here is the CPE cold pipe, which has a very convenient already pre-tapped methanol nozzle bung, and this is where the methanol nozzle is mounted. We're using a DO7 for now for 50-50 mix, and we'll be experimenting with different mixes. So it's a nice short run from the pump to the nozzle. Now the wiring for the pump itself is actually this loom right here, and it goes and it's braced against the bottom of the radiator support. Now there's a splat shield in the way here, and can't quite see that, but you can see it emerge here on the other side and go around the windshield washer reservoir and up into the top of the engine and eventually into the passenger compartment. So that's how it looks like from underneath the car. We tried to keep a very clean, very OEM-like, if you will, installation of the water methanol injection system, and our system that we're using is the CoolingMist with the failsafe on our 2014 Focus ST.